having built a custom vehicle, what advice or suggestions would you give to somebody that is a first-time car owner, an enthusiast that wants to customize a vehicle? Do you have any suggestions, some words of wisdom here?
I would say, do what you want.
Yeah.
Build your car how you want it. You know, you're always gonna have haters.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Oh, for sure.
You build to your taste. If you have questions, ask questions.
Yeah.
Hey, it might be stupid to yourself, but you can ask it. You know, you're barely starting out, so it's always good to ask questions.
Yeah.
Go to car meets, see the car that you have. If you like it, you know, ask questions about that guy. Like, oh, where did you get it from? What website? Go that route. You know, add him on Instagram. Follow car pages, Facebook groups. Just follow what you like, and you like that part, buy that part. Another car, you like that part, buy that part.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's important to
but I will say,
build what you like.
Expensive. When you're ready, it gets the price gets up there.
Yeah.
So it's a good hobby though. You meet a lot of people. It
is a good hobby. I think that's one of my favorite things about the automotive scene is the cars are great. Don't get me wrong. It's because you get to see people's build, what they liked, what their creativity built.
Yep.
You know, whether they built it or bought it or had a shop do it. I don't believe in any of that. Because some people are not gifted enough to wrench on a vehicle, or they weren't born with a torch in their hand.
See, for me, I don't have patience.
Yeah, so
one and done.
It's people like myself who rather go. I mean, I used to work on cars much younger.
Yeah.
But now as I've gotten older and have kids and businesses, I don't have time.
Yeah.
Here's my car. Here's my keys. Here's my checkbook.
Exactly.
You know,
Yep.
like.
Yeah, that's kind of like me too. Like, I mean, I buy the parts, but I don't install it because I don't have the patience for it.
Right.
Or like I'm gonna mess it up.
Yep.
So I would take it to a shop.
Yep.
Well, that's rare, but I take it to a friend's house.
Yeah.
Like we do it together. Yeah. So that's how it works. But I tried a couple times to then do some stuff, but I ended up messing it up. I had to buy another set or something. And like, you know what? You can do it. I'll watch you or whatever you want to do. Have a couple beers and wrench it out.
A lot of talented people work out of their garages.
Yeah,
lots of talented people.
That's
how I got started, and back in the day. Now the stuff is so advanced. It's like you almost have to take it to a professional. Everything's
and sometimes you don't even have the tools to do it.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah,
for sure.
Like for my car when I first moved there, I met Josh.
Yeah.
I don't know, you know Josh 13, the one that installed my airlifts and everything.
That's right. Yeah.
He installed my airlifts and fixed pretty much everything.
Yeah.
I call him a one-stop Josh.
Yeah.
Because he does everything. So last year, my girlfriend crashed her car, and he fixed it, body damage and everything.
Really?
Yep. So that was like, wow, he does pretty much everything.
Very cool. Very cool.
He does some amazing work. And what I like about Josh is that he takes his time.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't rush him or anything. Take your time, And you think about, okay, I'm going to install some coilovers with him. He'll install the coilovers, and he'll find little here and there dings, and he'll just fix it.
Yeah.
He'll just fix it. He'll just tell you, like, you know what, this was kind of loose. I tightened it up for you, or I looked it over your car.
Thorough.
Yeah. He makes sure when you leave, it's perfect.
Now, just out of a garage?
Yep.
Really?
He does headlight restorations.
Headlight restorations?
That's his number one business. That's what he meant to do.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So my car was his first time installing airlifts. So he was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm like, sweet, let's do it.
Pretty soon he'll own a shop and be a custom shop.
He has his real job.
Yeah.
And that's just a side gig.
Yeah.
But I told him, I'm like, dude, you should open your own shop.
Yeah.
He's like, I like working from home.